Stop it. Oh the God! What the f?
Oh, Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide. Oh.
Holy shit!
Joke I had is that what they talk about the smartest people ever. They act like smart, and whenever there's something difficult.
Election misinformation is a big problem.
The fuck are you doing?
Ça va passer, ça va passer.
Merci.
Merci. Bon, j'ai crié, hein, putain.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, fuck.
Apparel and more. Visit nuts.com/apparel for store hours. Baseball, Sports Radio 94.
Give them a piece of metal to use to pry open the shed in the back garden because they couldn't get it open. So she was like offering them, like, look at that.
Some mattress experts use a 4-step mattress fitting. Mattress experts use a 4-step mattress fitting. Shit! Guarantee it. PC.
Oh! Woo!
What happened?
I caught that on my camera.
Oh my god.
A big tournament, and then suddenly they're the big dog for like 2 years after that.
County, we had a car breakdown just before mid-span. It's finally out of the way, but it's backed up on through 101, so still needs some more time to recover, but all the...
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Fucking hell.
By exploiting these areas of memory issues, malicious actors who are not bound by normal expectations of software.
God damn.
Okay guys, I can't point this out enough. Please do not go outside to the buffaloes. Stay in your car. A buffalo is a dangerous animal. They will attack you if you go near the bisons or the buffaloes. Please do not try to get near those animals. Let them have their peace. Thank you.
Connecticut. This guy is looking at his phone. Jesus.
I was watching back and I can't get that.
Okay, how are we going to treat these various things?
So you're worried about AAO and you're going to do the high dose steroids. I like 1 gram.
เฮ้ยเฮ้ย
นั่นไง
เอ้าอะไรอ่ะนั่นแรงแรง
What's this fucking itch?
Whoa! Shit! Oh. And he was effing with me this morning a little bit. I wasn't prepared for that. The pre-Labor Day Pret bikini.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo!